Alright, architects, this is still building skills for AutoCAD. So this is going to be number 4, channel plate. So you just start a new drawing. I turn off my grid. Also on this one, make sure you set your polar tracking to 45. We'll need 45s. Also, when you're watching a YouTube video, go down to the gear. Make sure you put it on 1040. I believe it's 1040 HD. So let's just get started. Let's draw a box first. Looks like it's going to be 1.5 inches wide. Let's do this. There we go. Zoom in here. 1.5 inches wide. On the height right here is going to be 1.25. And then we'll go ahead and go 1.25 on this one. It's running at a 45. I don't know what that's going to be right there, but we can do that later. Let's do some offsetting. So start with this line right here. I'm going to offset it to the right 0.3 this way. Then I'm going to have another one. I'm going to go right there. I'm going to stop right there. Do another offset, just like this one right here. It's going to go down 0.2. This one's come up 0.2. That looks good. And then we need to do another offset. It's going to be at 0.1225. And we'll bring this down here and this one up here. Select your line command. Right at 45. Repeat line. Do some trimming on this. Trimming this out. So far, so good. Let's work on the corners. So let's do some offset. Looks like it's going to be 0.25. Bring this back 0.25. Then we're going to offset off the bottom 0.25 once. And then we're going to offset this one right here. It's going to go up right here. And it's going to be a 0.75 right there. We'll get our line command. We're going to draw on a line here. Repeat line. Go here. Let's do some trimming. Enter. We don't need that anymore. So that takes care of the back part of this. Let's move up to the front. Go ahead and let's get a line right through here. Let's work on the bottom. I need to offset this line right here to the left 1/2 inch. Okay. It looks like the bottom line, this line right here, needs to go up here. So we need to offset, and we're going to go 0.375. Set it right there. And let's do some trimming. So I know I don't need this here. I don't need that. We'll leave that right there. I think I'm going to need to cut this out a little bit. And cut this. I do have a angle right here. And I know it's going to be 1.25 inches from here over to here. So let's do offset. Offset. And the distance you're looking for right here is going to be 1.25. See right there. And we're going to track with our line command, just track straight down, and we'll go right here, and then press enter. Then I believe that's going to be the same way up here, but we already had it right here, so we can get rid of that. Another thing we need to do is offset this one up right here to right here above it, and that distance is going to be 0.5, so we'll set it right there. Let's do some extending. Let's go back to trim. This is going to be your move. Channel plate. So that's pretty big. Alright, dimensions. So make sure you have your menu bar, it's not hidden. You're going to go to Format, Dimension Styles, Modify, Primary Units. This one we're going to need 3 decimal places because we have a 125, a dot 125. On the text height, let's make the text height. Let's try on text a 0.1, 1/10 of an inch. Okay, close. So now when we put our dimensions, it should be alright. Still pretty stinking big. Let's change the dimension style again. Modify. Let's go half that. Let's go 0.05. Bet you the arrows are going to be big too. 0.1 on the arrows. Let's see what that looks like. It's a little bit better. Still a little big. Alright, so we're just going to put dimensions. You don't have to get too crazy with your dimensions. Just give me the overall, and we'll call it good just like that. Do your single line text. Height, 0.1's fine. 0's fine. Ooh, not 0.1. That's not good. Let's go 0.1. I think I just had 1 in there. Enter, 0, enter, and then you can put your just as channel plate, and then your name, date, period. Enter twice. Zoom extents. Remember, you always want to zoom extents. You want to save this, so go to the icon, save as, and then you're going to go to your S drive, find your architecture construction. I'm going to put this in, and this is going to be number 4. I hope I put number 4 in there. And this is channel plate. Save it, and then we're going to print. So select your print icon, and then they installed our printers going to be the LaserJet Pro M501. What to plot your extents, preview it, and then print and turn it in. Go to your next assignment, please.